They cannot be prepared without a trial balance. Items of trial balance, they're shown at, remember always, the items that are written in the trial balance, items that are given inside the trial balance will always have a single impact, single effect. They'll be shown either in the trading account or in the P&L account or in the balance sheet. They only are shown at one place in the financial statements, any one place. It is a trading account or profit and loss account or balance sheet. But in case the similar item is given outside the trial balance, then it will always have a double impact, shown at two or sometimes more than two places in the financial statements. It may come in the balance sheet also, it may come in the P&L account also or the trading account also. So it will always come at two or more than two areas, more than two places. Then you have to remember items of, it is a tip, item of debit side of trial balance will go to either of these two places. Debit of trial balance ke debit, this is a clue that is given. If the item is written on the debit side of trial balance, it will either come on the debit of trading account or debit of P&L account, or it will come on the asset side of balance sheet. So debit side of trial balance means yeah, debit of the income statement, yeah, asset side of balance sheet. If the item is written the credit of trial balance, so either credit of the trading account or it will come to the liability side of balance sheet. Then items relating to goods. Always remember, goods or manufacturing of goods will always come in the trading account. When it comes to selling of goods, sale of goods, they come to the profit and loss account. But all the items relating to goods or acquiring the goods or manufacturing, processing the goods, it will always come in the trading account. These items can be like goods purchased, return of purchase returns, sales return, sales. So all these things, purchase return, sales return, anything of goods or manufacturing of goods, they are written in the trading account. And then balances of all personal and real accounts are shown in the balances. Balances of all the personal and real accounts are always shown in the balance sheet. And then you always remember the total of assets will always be equal to total of liabilities. There can be no other option. It has to tally. The asset side and the liability side of balance sheet will always tally. Why? What are assets? What we have, it has either come from our own sources or borrowed sources. और तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. It will not be dropped by God. या अपनी है या borrowed है. So इन दोनों में से कुछ होगा. It will be, the total of assets will always be equal to total of liabilities. Okay, now after understanding the balance sheet, these are the features and the understanding of balance sheet. Now let us do one more thing. This is illustration 14 of your textbook. Illustration 14 of your textbook. We have been asked to prepare balance sheet. In this chapter, children, we will just get a questions to place them in the proper financial statement. So under proper formatting you will do, or putting them on the right side of the income statement or P&L account or balance sheet, whatever is asked. Now let us see where will these items of trial balance. This is a trial balance. Extract of trial balance. Given below is a trial balance of Gopi Chand. So let us see from the trial balance where will they go in the financial statements. Opening stock always on the debit side of trading account. Purchases, goods, I told you, goods always come on the debit side of the trading account. Sorry, goods come in the trading account, but purchases come on the debit side of trading account. Return inwards will be subtracted from sales in the trading account. Carriage outwards. Outwards means sale. So outwards will not come in the trading account. Inwards will come in the trading account, and outwards will come in the P&L account. Then office furniture. Always. Office means the shop, office or the showroom, office, all these will come in the P&L. Factory hota, so it will come in trading. Sundry debtors are assets. Dock charges Dock charges means the charges of the goods that are lying at the dock, uncleared goods or the docks, so they will always come in the trading account. Electric power, the amount of electricity, had it been given as the shop factory. Electric power means power is used for manufacturing, so it will come in the trading. Had it been given as only electricity expenses, then it would have come in the trading P&L account. Sundry creditors, liability side of balance sheet. Return outwards, subtracted from the purchases. Sales on the credit side of trading account. Capital, the balance sheet, liability side of balance sheet. Loan from bank, liabilities of balance sheet. Discount received, credit side of P&L account. And commission has not been given. Where will the commission come? So only commission, in case it is, commission will come in the credit side of, it is commission received, so it will come on commission, the credit side of P&L account, and you will find out the trading account. Now see here, actually there are some other expenses also. Okay, fuel, gas, power, trading account, that is manufacturing. Bad debts, P&L account, डेबिट साइड ऑफ P&L अकाउंट. देखो एक तो क्लू है, डेबिट में है तो डेबिट में ही आएगा, आइदर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट या P&L अकाउंट के डेबिट में आएगा. दीज थिंग्स आर ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड, सो दीज विल कम ऑन द क्रेडिट ओनली, आइदर P&L और ट्रेडिंग. Fuel, power, bad debts, advertisement, debit side of P&L account. Salary, debit side of P&L account. Cash in hand, asset side. Cash at bank, assets. Motor vehicle, assets. Motor repairs, the P&L account. It is not manufacturing, it is repair, so extra expense, P&L account. Interest on bank loan, you are paying interest on the loan that you have taken from the bank, so it is an expense. All the expenses in the P&L, these are not of manufacturing nature, so it will come in the P&L. Rent and insurance, P&L, debit side of P&L. Business premises means the assets, the possessions, so asset side of balance sheet. Household expenses, debit side of P&L account, so you will put them on the proper side. And this is stock at the end. Remember we discussed closing stock is usually given outside the trial balance, so if it is given outside the trial balance, it will come, and whatever is given at outside the trial balance, it is recorded at two places, so it will come, the closing stock will come on the credit side of trading account, here credit side of trading account. And one more place you will, as I tell you, it will be clear to you. So it is stock at the end will come here, trading account. You will write the expenses here, the manufacturing expenses here, sales and the closing stock here, and the difference will be called the gross profit. This gross profit will be transferred here in the P&L account. All the indirect receipts here, indirect expenses here, total this, find out the balance. This balance will be called the net profit. In case this side is more, then it will be, balancing will come this side, it will be called a net loss. Then we come to this net profit will be transferred in the balance sheet. Then we come to the balance sheet. We make the balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 as the date given. All the liabilities this side, assets this side. We begin with the liabilities. We discuss the liabilities here, loan from the bank, or we identify all the liabilities from the balance sheet. The liabilities will be picked up and posted here in the balance sheet on the liability side. So we have loan from the bank, sundry creditors and capital, and this side we have cash in hand, cash at bank, sundry debtors. In case, let us see, in case any other balance sheet figure, you will add, nothing else is given. Here children, the capital, remember the four things I showed you in the balance sheet. Balance sheet means liability side of balance sheet, we have the current liabilities, non-current liabilities, reserves and capital. So non-current liability we have taken, this is the current liability, then it is non-current liability, then we have reserves, there are no reserves given. then we write the capital, and capital plus the net profit. The net profit, the balancing figure of the P&L account is called the net profit. It is added to the added to the capital. Drawings in case given will be subtracted from the total of the two. So capital ki adjustment is the capital that is given plus net profit minus drawings. That will be the net amount of capital in the balance sheet. And then we have all the other assets, the closing stock, furniture. This is the second place I told you of the closing stock. See here, stock was given outside the balance, outside the trial balance. So double adjustment. One adjustment is on the credit side of trading account, and the second effect is shown on the asset side. This is shown in the assets. Then we have the furniture, the motor vehicle, business premises, and the total here after adding the net profit and minusing the drawings. The total 3,53,100, and total of assets also 353,100. Total will be same. Draw a double line and the question is correct. You will get full points in the question. Are we clear? Okay. Now, unsolved question number 15. Very quickly, let us glance to the unsolved question of 15 also. We have capital. Capital is in the balance sheet. Then household expenses. Household expenses are P&L account